We have been making cricket bats for 100 years, and since then we did not plant a single tree at any place throughout Kashmir. In the last World Cup 2021 in UAE, Kashmiri brand Great Sports was the first bat. For last 100 years, it was the first bat that was used in the international cricket. This very thing started in Kashmir in 1920, and the plantation of willow in Kashmir was actually the step taken by Walter or Lawrence, and they at that point of time planted willow in Kashmir. They brought the saplings from England, and they only sowed this very thing in Kashmir, in the wetlands, on the banks of rivers and everywhere. And we have been making cricket bats since 1920 in Kashmir. Right now we have 400 plus manufacturing units in Kashmir.
प्रॉब्लम्स आ रहे हैं, उनके बारे में आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ। पहले यहाँ पे पूरे कश्मीर में विल्लो ही फार्मर लगाता था, विल्लो को ही पहले तरजीह दी जाती थी। पर अनफॉर्चुनेटली उसके बाद हमारे इधर पॉपुलर आया, क्योंकि उसकी ग्रोथ जल्दी होती है। तो फार्मर ने क्या किया, फार्मर ने विल्लो को छोड़ के पॉपुलर लगाने की कोशिश की, जिसकी वजह से तो हमें आज तक फ्रॉम लास्ट 5 ईयर्स हमें प्रॉब्लम आ रही है। अब जो आ पा रहा है पूरा, उसमें क्वालिटी भी नहीं निकल रहा है, चाहे डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल टूर्नामेंट्स के लिए यूज़ हो रहे, चाहे विलेज लेवल टूर्नामेंट्स पे यूज़ हो रहे, वो कश्मीर विलो यूज़ हो रहा है एज कम्पेयर टू इंग्लिश विलो।
See, we are 140 or 1,000 people associated with this industry in Kashmir. We have workforce from India, mainly from Punjab and mainly from Uttar Pradesh, and even from locals. We have 2,500 more than that families associated with this business. We are 300 crore revenue generating economy. If this issue is not being addressed as soon as possible on war footing, we are afraid that we have to close down our business and we all will be rendered jobless.